it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. Are you ready to make a beautiful pair of earrings in under 10 minutes? On this tutorial, we will be creating with some Czech glass, some fire polish in like an urnite amethyst color, 6 millimeter, and then our beautiful laser etched tree. Just felt was perfect for autumn and going into the fall season. So this is a quick and easy project to make a beautiful pair of earrings. Let's start creating. So you will just need your Czech glass and then a bead of your choice, an earring finding, some head pins, an eye pin, and you can use your round nose pliers or the one-step looper to make your wrapped loops. So to start, we are just going to go ahead and add on our little fire polish. And these are from an online bead shop, the Bead Butler. And I will leave a link down below for their website. Now we're just going to make our simple loops on our head pins, and we are using the one-step looper. And we found at most bead shops or online at Amazon, and I will go ahead and leave a link down below in the description for this. So we're just going to slide it into our tool and give it a squeeze. And we will get the perfect loop every time. And don't worry if the loops aren't quite even or they're a little open. We're going to make any adjustments in just a moment. And this is the smaller one-step looper. There are two larger sizes. So now we're just going to bring in our round nose pliers. And this just makes sure that all of our loops are the same size and completely closed. Somehow they always find a way to come undone if they're not completely closed. Like they'll fall off the jump ring or your soft flex wire. So once they're completely closed, we are just going to bring in our eye pin. We're just going to open it up like we would a jump ring. We're going to add on all of our little embellishments we just made, and 3 of them fit perfectly on your eye pin. An eye pin is about a 2 or 2.5 millimeter little connection point. So you can see how they kind of cluster all together. We're going to add on our Czech glass, and this is a tattoo bead or a laser etched bead. Very popular. You get a tree on each side. And then we're just going to go ahead and add on one more of our little crystals for sparkle. We're going to slide it into our tool and give it a squeeze. Once we have our little earring made, we're just going to make sure that it's completely closed. This is a great style of earring to make for any upcoming craft fairs or just to give as gifts for the holiday season. So we're going to just bring in our ear wire, similar to how we just twisted it to make room on the bottom of the eye pin. We're just going to open it and then add our little attachment. And you can use the same style if you want to do it for a charm or maybe a matching pendant. And just like that, we have adorable Czech glass earrings in under 10 minutes. So about 5 minutes per earring. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for the products used in this video, as well as an earring tutorial playlist. Have an awesome day.